guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Well, today is yet another slick down video. I am so excited. Well, if you are new, my name is Peishi, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to this channel. Well, so I'm going to start with freshly washed hair, and I'm going to spray a little bit of water to make the hair a little damp, and I'm going to start applying the gel. So just watch and learn. We're going to use the Denzel's gel, the ones that we always use, and just keep watching. The trick is to apply a generous amount of gel until the hair is saturated. I'm going to tie a little ponytail at the back, and then I'm going to start applying the gel, slicking it down towards that direction. Like, this is easy, guys. Just watch and learn. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, look at that. Oh, ew. Ugh. Look at that gel. So you don't have to worry about your hands getting like what you call it, getting stained by the gel, because you can just wash it off soon after, and it doesn't really stain the hands. So yeah, don't worry about that part. So now I'm slicking it down, and I'm going to use a bigger comb to comb it down. You can use a brush as well if you do have a brush. Yeah, I don't need that, so I'm just going to use my combs. So when I'm done with the bigger one, I'm going to move on to the smaller one to smoothen it out, and that will be done. By the way, have you subscribed to my channel? Well, if you haven't, kindly click the subscribe button that is down below, and also click the notification bell that is next to it, so that next time I release a new video, you'll be notified. Okay, so now I'm gonna fix the shade so that it's crispy clean. Crispy. All right, look at that. Oh my, look at the line. It's so straight. I hope it's in the middle. Anyway, who cares? It could be anyway, right? Anyway, so you just smoothen it out like that, and then, well, tying with a duck and wait for it to dry. guys, let me show you my new do-rag right there. Okay, anyway, we're going to apply some Dermatol onto the hair. Like, I used to apply Vaseline. It helps that the do-rag or the toque, whatever you want to call it, doesn't like stick to the hair. But today I decided to apply some Dermatol because it helps with the itching also. It helps with the itchiness. Therefore, I'm applied that, and then I go ahead to tie my do-rag just like that. And then I go to bed, and I'm gonna wake up tomorrow with a fresh, slicked down hairstyle. Good night and good morning. Okay, so let's see if it is really as good as we think it is. Oh no. Ta-da! Alrighty, tidy. What do you think, guys? Do you think it's cute or not? Well, I like it for me, so I'm gonna say this is very cute. The hair is slicked down, y'all. It is slicked down. Look at the waves and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and work on attaching the band. Oh, but well, this is a win. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to put a scrunchie on the hair, and I'm going to be using a pink scrunchie so y'all can really see what I'm doing, like exactly what I'm doing, clearly. Okay, so you take the scrunchie and you put it onto the hair like that. See, just like that. And then you're going to hold it like that. See, I have two pieces of scrunchie, and then you're going to loop it, and then you're going to be remaining with just one piece. You're going to be holding one piece like that. See, I don't know if it's clear enough, or you can repeat, like rewind and see how I did it. But so this is not the one that I'm going to attach. I just used the pink scrunchie so you can see how to do it. And I'm just gonna use my oldie but goodie attachment to attach right there to make the band. So I like to use like 3 strands of hair. You can use more if you want the band to be bigger, but I use 3. You can use 2 if you want it to be smaller. Well, it all depends on what you want. But after attaching it like that, I'm going to start rolling it around, like as you can see on the video, like just twisting and rolling until I get the band that I want. Okay, so if you twist it a little tighter, it's gonna make a smaller band, but if you tie it loosely, okay, it's gonna make a bigger band. So I want a medium-ish kind of band. So this is it. So after this, you could put some bobby pins if you want it really secured, but mine, I realized that it's still secured enough for me for the day, because I remove it in the night. When I sleep, I remove it. It's detachable, right? So I remove it and then I put it back in the morning, remove it, put it back in the morning. So yeah, even without the bobby pins, it still works. But for extra security, you can put the bobby pins so that you are sure that it's not going to unravel. But hey, this is it, and thank you so much for watching this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button that is down below and the notification bell that is next to it, so that next time I release a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you. See how I did it? Very cutesy, very thoughtful, very demure.